Hi LBB, I'm Dimple. Welcome to my home. I live in a 3 BHK apartment with my husband and our 2 kids. We got this space designed in a very modern yet bohemian inspired theme. Around 90% of the space is styled in white and beige tones, which creates a very calm and cozy atmosphere. Our house is an extension to our personality. As a family, we have put our heart and soul into every details while getting this home designed. Come on, let me take you to the foyer area. We have placed a utility cabinet over here that manages our daily essentials. Above this is a round mirror which is not only very beautiful but is a stylish little addition to the living room. This is a Buddha, a plant, and on the other corner I've placed few decor accents and a very classy vintage clock. Together, these minimum details makes the foyer area both functional and welcoming. Now let me take you to the most used and the favorite part of our house, the living room. This is a place where we begin our mornings, relax after a long day, watch movies, or just simply lie down as a family and spend time together. The place begins with a beautiful fiddle leaf plant in the corner. This has to be the main attraction of the living room. This is my little go-to spot every morning where I have my cup of tea before beginning my day. This corner has to be my meditation zone. If we talk about the seating, we have placed a recliner sofa, couple of cozy chairs and a carpet that ties the whole look all together. The place is extremely comfortable and perfect for lounging. Besides the recliner, we have also placed 2 very modern and sleek side tables that balances both the functionality as well as the aesthetics of the living room. If you look around, you will notice elegant paneling and beautiful arches that run throughout the house. These paneling and arches gives the house a very classic vintage vibe. On the wall, we have added a striking beach painting that we picked up from a gallery in Bangalore. It really stands out. The colors highlight the calmness of the artwork and add a sense of tranquility to the space. On the other side, we have our TV unit. I have kept it very minimal, keeping in mind I have 2 kids. Moreover, I preferred a very clutter-free look. So I've just tried to add a statement piece in the corner, which are the set of vases that I've purchased from Elementary Store in Bangalore. Beautiful earthy tones and a pop-out color of green. It is the perfect highlight of this TV unit. On the other end, I've added a hanging plant that brings freshness to the living room. Below the TV unit are a lot of storage places so that no visible clutter is created in the home. Besides the TV unit is a bar cabinet. It isn't immediately visible but is a stylish little addition to the living room. Everything related to bar has its own place. The storage cabinet beneath ensures that all the essentials are neatly tucked away so nothing else in the living room gets disturbed. It's compact, functional and perfect for hosting. Now let me take you to the dining space. This is a very simple dining table in wooden finish. I have placed a bonsai in the center as the table decor, 2 light fixtures above the dining table that ties the space together beautifully. I am actually a crockery collector and love collecting different pieces. With this hobby, I get a chance to set the table in different styles every now and then. With this, hosting friends and family becomes even more special as we sit here and relish our home-cooked meals. Besides the dining space is our mandir. We come here for our morning prayers. There's a beautiful background and setting of our idols give this place a very positive vibe. We belong to Jain community and are a firm believers in simplicity and spirituality. We follow the principle of live and let live as preached by Lord Mahavira. There is also a cabinet beneath to keep everything neatly organized and to store all the essentials related to our puja needs. Now let me take you to the most therapeutic place in our house, the kitchen. Strange it may sound, but it has a very special story. When we moved into this apartment, all of us, including our friends and family, were of the view that the kitchen is too small. But with time, I really changed my mindset. I got this kitchen designed in such a way that it became super functional, clutter-free, and very easy to maintain. In the kitchen, everything is at my arm's distance. From the cabinets that holds all the kitchen essentials to the clean countertops that makes the kitchen looks very neat. Everything in the kitchen has a place. I really look forward to come here and experiment new dishes and serve them to my loved ones. For me, cooking is no more a task, but it is more of a joy. Moreover, you can say that this small kitchen has really taught me to love cooking. Now let me take you into the kids' room. Since my son is a football enthusiast, we have added this Ronaldo-themed wallpaper on the wardrobe, which instantly gives the room his personal touch. This room was designed before my daughter was born, so it mostly reflects a boy's space. But after she came along, we added little touches of her to make it a shared and balanced room for both of them. For the study area, we have kept a spacious table that can be adjusted as my son grows. I have used organizers from IKEA to make sure everything stays clutter-free. There is also a cute corner with soft toys which adds a fun, playful vibe. The room has lots of natural light which boosts children's concentration. Everything has its own place, making the room practical, cheerful, and very well organized. Now let me take you to the master bedroom. The entire room is done in the shades of white and grey, perfect for relaxing in after a long day. The main highlight of the room is this bold wallpaper that we have placed above the bed. Wallpaper is very beautiful and serene. To balance this bold wallpaper, on the opposite side, we have kept the artwork very minimal. There's a smart storage cabinet over here, and above that, few decor accents that make the place warm and personal. In the corner, there is a classic vintage style dressing up unit that I absolutely love. But the main attraction of the room has to be this semi-walk-in wardrobe. It has been designed to maximize every inch of space and is neatly organized with different compartments and organizers. I have even labeled everything to make it easy and functional. The wardrobe also has a special section where I have kept all my bags, which I love. It's very practical and beautifully designed by our interior team, making it a perfect blend of style and utility. Now let me take you to a guest bedroom, which doubles up as my husband's workspace and a reading room. Room begins with elegant wardrobes in rattan that meet all my husband's requirements. This room gives him a peaceful environment to focus. We have created 2-3 small work corners here to break the monotony. In the northeast corner, we have placed the study desk where he keeps all his office essentials neatly organized. Besides that, there's a cozy reading nook with a bamboo backdrop, a plant, a classic rocking chair, and a very stylish side table. Perfect for taking breaks or enjoying a quiet read. This is also where my husband and son like to spend time together with their collection of books displayed on the shelves. The room has been designed with plenty of storage while still looking modern and minimal. So that brings us to the end of our home tour. I hope you enjoyed walking through a space with me. Thank you for watching the video. For more such content, please subscribe to LBB Homely's newsletter.